Morning everybody, welcome back to our channel.
The Parchment Fam.
Yeah, and somebody just wake. You can see say them face
May
need
just
wash
wake.
good.
Oh please.
Alright.
Wake up before you even don't realize that.
Yeah, me wake up before you, but me more refreshed can me go up on the road and do everything.
It doesn't really matter.
And get going, you know? Yeah, so people this morning, Monday morning, as you can remember, the last cooking video we posted was on a Monday too. So yeah, so today
it's becoming a trend.
Yeah, so today we have prepared some breakfast again. Basically what we are preparing in the morning now is some callaloo, cabbage, and green banana dumpling, and kidney. Yeah, I could get it. I don't know if I cook kidney in the morning or in the afternoon.
I'm gonna cook it
because you still have like 4 burner, so we'll see.
Yeah, by the time you don't cut it up and so the rest of them done.
We are showing you that too, and we are get going right now. So as we say, welcome back to the channel. Enjoy this other video, alright? We know we're not going to enjoy it. So
yeah, man.
We are get going. We are cook with callaloo and things. So we are showing you what going now. So we are flip it around, making you see. Alright, so we have a callaloo. People make
it's a dead callaloo.
Something to find callaloo, and this callaloo still not look so hot at all. Callaloo is terrible.
Let me go start planting more callaloo.
Funny callaloo. Pee a hole in it or something.
Look there, it look dead.
Yeah, too much and $1.99 for a callaloo, so you know so bad, you know?
But that man will get pretty a callaloo, but you just have to take what we can get. And it start them, I all want them.
Yeah. Yeah, so we have onion, regular way, thyme, sweet pepper, by 2 planting. We have pepper, and we have carrot right here, so. And then we cabbage did this so too. With green banana. I see kidney here people will buy. So we have to clean this up before we cook it, you know? So right now, just I get started with cutting up the callaloo and the cabbage, you know, alright? So just watch what I go on in the kitchen.
You want to show me?
Yeah, people, so dip on the last half of the callaloo cutting, you know? See if we can get going. Come like a knife. The callaloo will dull up my knife. Come sharp my knife and it cut the callaloo like butter. So you start hitch a little bit a while ago. That cut up, you know. Yeah, people, so that's what we callaloo cutting. We get some water on this and rinse him again. And then we can chew him on the fire, you know. And then I put on the dumpling then next. And I cook the cabbage last. Yeah. Yeah, man. The callaloo there, it look bad when you're in a bungle with the hole them, but actually not come out so bad. Yeah. Yeah, see my carrot and now then we put in the callaloo, you know? Yeah, people, so I put in the callaloo now. See how this look now? I know what time this gone down to.
Callaloo and cabbage are very deceptive. I guess any leafy thing, vegetable. Like you can't even fit in a pot.
You just give a couple of minutes people and you go see the street don't do nothing. Yeah, everybody, so see Callaloo there now. See Callaloo I cook down. Everything fit in a pot properly now. Okay.
Sweet pepper there, blah. You get to taste it, right? It's sweet pepper. Taste it like Callaloo.
So you know one thing that you cook out already, so
Mm.
can't take it out.
That's what it's I guess.
Take it out after. No.
Sometimes it get mushy and then it just tastes bitter.
Yeah, people, so we are throw a little bit of seasoning pan it now and turn it down and make it finish cooking. You know? Throw some seasoning. No, we don't put salt on the food because this have salt already. Little tip of black pepper.
Now you get a pitch of water. Stop.
Tip a little bit more water on it. And this one some water. See? No, that's alright, you know.
Turn it down, you will steam more water.
Okay. That's it. We turn on already, so I make that steam down and then after that we turn them off, you know?
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Yeah, people, so peel up with cabbage right about now, you know?
Chop, you go chop, you know, peel it.
When you peel cabbage, when you deal with cabbage, man, we don't waste time for the cabbage, you know? Deal with it fast. You see me?
Chop, yeah, chop up it.
You see? Yeah, man, I don't know. So when you cook cabbage, carrot, we not eat, you know?
Come on, you cut down. Just eat your side. You know, eat carrot raw.
Okay. Yeah, people. Don't know carrot of eat, you know? Mix up that in with cabbage. Yeah, man, see how that look nice? Yeah. So, throw this on the fire when we're done right now. Yeah, people, so banana dumpling in a pot and I'll cook them, you know? See a pot full?
Did that run over? If I take out some of my water a little bit.
You just take out, scoop out some of my water out of the pot.
Run over. Use one of glass cup.
And thing, you know? Just use a cup like this and scoop the water and get down the water a little bit.
Bun me here. You see? I want bun me now.
Nobody not burn in the water.
You're not going to do it on purpose, but yeah, move so fast, the water I go sitting there. Did they see?
The people, so that the amount of water good. So, let me go and cook down now, yeah? Yeah, man. You see me? Callaloo done cook and there, so I wait for what we eat, you know? Yeah. You see, then I see better now we turn on the light over the roof.
I forget so we have the light.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
You have to cover upon him a little bit, you know?
Yeah, don't run over.
Yeah, when you start run over, we just half mass. Yeah, people, so we just cut up a little bit of seasoning and so we're going to have a cabbage. So we can put on the cabbage, you know. Frying pan hot, so I'll throw some oil in it. Like that, so. Put in the seasoning and get the cabbage going, you know. Yeah, man. Season time.
Yeah, run that me.
Stopping on the belly and eat.
I love to cook without shirt.
People, I'll prop up in the belly and I go.
So you get the cook without shirt.
Start throwing the cabbage on this guy. Everything has steam out with the cabbage. You know?
Another deceiving vegetable.
Yeah, so then stay people. When this starts steam down, gone right down to nothing. Just like the callaloo. So we have to put a little bit of water in this. Okay, you know, stick at the bottom, you know? Yeah. So just throw that and cover him, you know? Make him steam down.
Alright people, so time for putting the kidney and now. What's the bag?
That's the kidney I deal with right about now, you know?
For some reason he look weird in our bag, now he look normal.
Yeah, people, so you can see kidney I wash off and out, we have cooked up some kidney for you.
Yeah, you see that
And
part
this
there?
is beef kidney.
Then put chicken kidney too?
See that bit?
You put pig kidney?
Pig have the kidney and
You know boy, you ever eat them?
Yeah,
Yeah,
what's it, man?
well. I beef one, you know about. Yeah, so me I cut out this part here which is kind of hard to come out, you know. Sometimes you have to cut it up while you have something there. You take out it, cut it smaller. Like that one. You cut it smaller, you know, have to get out them pieces.
I mean, fatty pieces.
Yeah, they have it to come out.
Yeah, because of bad burn out, 3 knife sharp, you know?
Yeah, 3 knife sharp, yeah. It needs to come out. So you see, then you lift the hard part that when you come down in here, so. That's the pipe.
Yeah, so that is actually going down in it. So
So it's like,
you do get it.
it's either you cut out one whole pie meat, if you don't want something there. If you don't want to, probably you can just, you don't want mess something there meat.
You don't want to cut out it too deep
Yeah.
if you cut out the meat. You want to spare as much meat as you
Yeah,
can.
so that's why you have to take your time. But the knife sharp, so you actually do a good job.
See that you have to get out all those fat out of it.
Much easier than think you're done. The only thing I don't like with kidney. And liver have something over it here that is
The
strip.
thing we have is strip off. Yeah.
Like there, but this alright, I just that you have to get out. So what I'm gonna do is cut it smaller again. Make it easier to come out. Then make put a better angle at it. You know? A little bit like that can have it, you know. I don't know. I just cut him and put him in there. That's strategy though me have to use. I have to cut him up small sometimes you get in between it. And then you can just cut the same time. I wonder if everybody will watch this eat kidney, because I know to some people this gross, you know.
It tastes good, man. With that white rice and
Yeah, with
dumpling and banana.
Tastes good for sure. From the other day, I feel for kidney, so. Jamaica, they say you have to go eat what you want. They say,
So
mark
then
it,
that
baby.
piece we cut up already, we clean and cut up.
So you have to use. get to them.
Yeah, people, so check for me dumpling and banana pot right about now. Cause this supposed to can turn off anytime now. The banana them not take no time to boil, you know. The dumpling them already cook, so soon can turn this off. You know. Yeah, people. So we'll let that go on bubble for the next couple minutes, then we turn it off. You know? And then see we cabbage here. Steam down. See if it's nice in the pot now. Turn it down a little bit. Yeah, people, so dumpling and banana pot land, you know. We both are land, you know. So I go turn him off. Take him off of this burner, yeah. Put it on the back burner beside the Callaloo. You see me? You take time and slide it with me one hand because if you hold the camera with me other hand. See there? Nice pot of dumpling and banana, you know. See there? Callaloo done right as a weight we get before this, you know. And cabbage left on the way. See there? Cabbage are come to. And kidney still a cut up round here, so you know.
Just reach for the other something there, no?
See there? Kidney a cut up.
Just reach for the other.
The last chunk of kidney there, so.
Sweet the other bongo.
So when we near we done the kidney, we're going to see last piece of it, you know. So stay tuned. Yeah, people, so right about now, I'm going to go ahead and put on some seasoning on the cabbage. Some meat seasoning and a little bit of black pepper. Now use no black pepper on it. Because we use black pepper on the Callaloo, we don't want too much black pepper in our diet, you know.
Yeah.
So put on the meat seasoning on the cabbage. You know. One hand me I use and do this because you don't know me if I hold the camera with the other hand. Stir him up. Eat enough, this is how we use, because we don't use no salt, so this we put enough so give it a little salt taste, you know. Flavor at the same time. Yeah, everybody, so it's the last piece of kidney now, finally. Almost 10:40.
How long it take? About 15 minutes?
More than that.
Look there, come on sit and come out there, people. See all of that?
Fat they will come out of the kidney. All of them things they have to clean out. And this is the kidney where we cut up here, so ready for cook on the fire now, you know. Yeah, people, so check up on with cabbage. We don't know. Yep, keep that in, people. Cabbage ready, you know. Cabbage boat land too. So I just see kidney boat left now to reach. We'll start road a boat, you know. So turn off with cabbage, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, look at that people. Cabbage nice and steamed down properly and everything. No? Ready for eat. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, people, so one and thing I cut up fill up on the kidney now.
I got right in there.
So just I cut in it and everything, put on the seasoning and everything, and then throw them in the frying pan, you know? Frying pan on the pan is stove anyway. Deal with this apart first.
I like too much onion in it.
Sweet pepper now.
Oh, leave it now.
You don't need no whole for sweet pepper pan.
I don't use one for sweet pepper period. Tomato pan this.
You have flash so long. Everybody have flash like you flash out the tomato. Don't you sing? I wonder why you flash so long.
I dry my hand to go drip, you see? Use all of this tomato here. So cook out. Get a nice flavor.
Nice red color and flavor and everything. I don't know time.
What time is it?
Yeah, people, so time I cut up in it now, and then you don't know put on the rest of seasoning and everything. So see the fish and meat sauce. Browning, this one more browning.
Nice, I'll browning make it bitter, but that one more. Rinse out the browning back.
Yes, so see seasoning going funny now.
Just have to gauge it and judge. Almost done. Let's use up here.
About that first man and then put them in the pan.
I'll put it behind that.
So you know put your hand in there and kind of somebody just what kind of cook somebody cook and rub it with the hand. That's why you need something there. Rub it with your hand and then rub in there properly.
You think I cook? Eh? So everybody do them thing different, you know.
You hear they say somebody turn when we say your hand sweet. I just put your hand and season
in there
it properly.
That you love rub up. You rub your
That is
hand.
the right way to season your meat. You rub it
There
up.
is no right or wrong way.
Yes.
Everybody do them things.
But you can't kitchen and cook and stoosh.
You know, Stush, you just see me cut up, look here. Watch, I cut up a whole of my hand a while ago.
We get
cut up
whole
it.
heap of them there.
Yeah, but me, that's not Stush if me actually something there. If me actually just cut up it a while ago. Everybody do them thing different, you know.
A little bit more meat if you want it.
Yeah, put it on it, man. Oh, Stush. At the time when me did the curry, I hold of me hand something there. You just do me nail the same day and put and rub up the curry. My nail change colour.
Just throw it in and worry about that after, man. No pretty up, no buckle. No cook your just throw it and throw this up tight. Yes, so fish and meat sauce that gone on for the people.
You know me already. Too salt, you see me? Can we season it again after?
The fish and meat sauce have salt. Yeah.
Nice. See whether I rub it up with my hand or not, it all look nice.
Come on, now we are looking at buckle. If I just throw something, meat in the meat, yeah, peep down buckle and kind of something.
So, you see me I rush you when you do your thing?
People, you see the reason when I tell you something cook, they waste time in the kitchen and slow.
You savor the moment.
Goodness.
Sure. You little bit more browning, but not too much because you know want the bitter.
Yeah, this one a little bit more brownie. See, look the people. Fresh buckle of browning again.
More than that.
See that one again.
So that black. Too black, but no matter.
That good, man.
Oregano. If you have time, you just make that sit down, you know, and simmer down little, marinade. Marinade, little, cover him up. Yeah.
Take the people. We're going to season up with the browning and things, you know? Yeah, people, so your friend pan the stove are going hot now. Then we're going to put in a little bit of oil and get the meat going, you know? Yeah, man.
Go on hot. Put that weight and stuff in the time.
Yeah, so we're there in the kitchen, cook up.
Pasta.
Meat pan the frying pan now be hot, so we can get going again.
And the last lap, because we don't eat from
yeah,
morning.
because we don't eat from morning. You know that bad, that was 2:11 right now.
Not bad for you.
Yeah, 2:11 right now. And we in the kitchen.
Me should have eat about 3 times already, people.
Yeah, man, so last week Monday we go on with salt mackerel cooking, so we're going on another one to the Monday, you know? Yeah.
You see when we cook these people, they're supposed to last for a while, you know?
Yeah, last week we a few days.
So 3 different meals, because we know, you know, our life don't allow us to cook every single day.
Yeah, so
So
yeah, we just wait for the frying pan we had now and then show now what go on when I put in the kidney again, alright? So stay tuned to that. Yeah, people, so kidney are going in the frying pan now, you know?
I want some like good hearts. Should I shh?
Fire go underneath, you know?
Turn up a little more. Let's see if we wash out. Like when it shh.
Like here when the oil, when it fry out, like when the oil well hot.
Yeah.
So oil and medium hot, man.
Medium hot, yeah, never 100%
No
hot.
matter, it will full out, man. And fry up, you know?
Yeah.
Can't really fry, we are fry, you cook, we are cooking.
That will cook.
See it there, let me fry it now. Take your time to cook, you know?
Then I'll cook. Alright guys, see kidney there. So I'm gonna stir it up now. I'm actually gonna put some garlic in it. I forgot to put it in. My husband don't like garlic, you know. So I cut them up big. I look on this and say too much. I cut them up big so you can actually find them. You know, it gives it a nice flavor and it also acts as a tenderizer. So I put it in there. So when it cook, I can actually find them back. I take them out, or even when I eat, I can find them and take them out. So I stir them now. Because him don't like garlic. But garlic is good for you. You see, look at that. I haven't put any water in it, you know, it's spring it own water. See? It's spring it own water, that's the thing with kidney. Okay? Same. Turn up. That. Now I'll cover it up and I can go and cook down the garlic because it actually help to tenderize the kidney so you can cook faster. So what I'm actually gonna do is turn it down a little bit so you can hear like it almost want to fry. So it's steam instead of dry out the water. So I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Maybe right here, yeah. And then, yeah, see there? And just make it go and steam some more. And if it dry down, yeah, add a little water to it, alright? So make it stay and go and do it thing. Okay, so let's check on it. Alright. So here it's a fry. I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to it right now. Because the thing with kidney, if you make it dry down too much and start burn, it will bitter. And that has happened to me before. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. So I have the water here. I just rinse out the bowl that I did prepare the kidney in, and then so I throw the water upon it now. So that water will cook it, finish cook it, further cook it. You know, see there. So now I could turn up the stove a little bit more too, because I want it to cook properly. Alright. So see there now, turn it up a little bit more and cover it up back. I have to watch it now because it will run over now. Alright, so make that stay there and go and cook down. Alright guys, you see how the kitchen clean? You see? Because when we are cook, we wash up same time, so you don't have nothing for do afterwards and eat. You see? So just wash up same time. The only thing left we do is the plant. Now my husband come back and go cook them. No, lie, fry them. him go fry them, him run gone pan the road. And him have the girls them with him, so him go do that. Fry them when him come back. And while me wait on the kidney, you know, me tidy up the kitchen. So yeah. That's a good little tip. Instead they have everything piled up and I have nowhere to work, you see? Clean.
Yeah, people, so go get the plant them. It's ready for fry, you know? Peel them off and them thing. All the plant skin them tough, you see it?
You know, slice it before you peel it?
Plant me no normally slice it. Just
Slice
peel them off like this and they come off easy.
slice
The
it
plant
just to
skin
see
come like they glue down.
Me slice it just to see
Just
him.
go and bust it up and start peeling.
No, so me slice it
Yeah.
just like how you do banana.
So, the right plant, me not supposed to
Right
slice
plant.
right
Yeah.
plant. the skin.
Well, you know everything up here different, so
Yeah.
put up, that's all.
Yeah, something when they have up here, something not right with them, you know?
And some of them are they import them, you know.
Yeah, but the imported ones still have
Cause
something funny.
you can look all in the middle, like how right this so stay.
Yeah.
And it can, sometimes it kind of hardy.
Yeah, them plant, them things that when they have up here, people, it's like they're not natural, you know? You see like
And
something,
it drop.
something not right with them all times. And it's a grow your own thing.
Yeah, man.
Which
Yeah.
you see like that majority
Well,
everybody
people
have
do
to
it, you
turn
know?
to one time, grow their own things.
No, that means the gardening. When we go up on YouTube, you're surprised how much people grow. They want to see my alpan in balcony.
Yeah. Get the oil hot already and put in the plant, you know?
But yeah, ready for the oil. Check on the kidney. Kidney still a cook. It's been about 40 minutes. I'm going to test it and see where it go on with. Let me check on that something here. Get the fork. So when me test it, people, me normally just take a little piece and put it in my mouth. Yeah. It cook. But make it cook a little bit more. And it cook good. But it's tender. Make it cook a little bit more. Then me put some ketchup on it and seasoning taste. Alright too. So yeah, I'm going to see what I'm do that. Back to the planting.
Planting time and all people.
No, the oil is not like you know neither. Call me like you. Shh.
You like hearing things are burn up.
And that bottle is supposed to hear shh. But it's well at it, though.
Yeah, people, so I put in like a ketchup in a gravy, you know. Eat the good body and flavor, you know.
Flavor full of body. So you don't need too much ketchup, because ketchup will make it bitter too.
Yeah.
Kidney funny, you know. We get bitter if you burn it bitter.
Burn it, especially burn in night already.
Yeah. So this one, watch it. You look at that there, it's a stick. See? Very funny. Turn it on low. I know. Get it burn.
Stop.
Keep a tad bit, little bit more water on it.
Plant now fry up here too, you know.
Be careful, man, you drop it.
Yeah, man.
Little bit of water on it. It's gravy.
People see the 11:29 now. Now we don't eat it.
Now what time we start?
Almost 9 o'clock.
Not bad, because I will buy meat to cook.
Holy meat, I mean holy pot. I want pot of meat here too.
In Jamaica, everything I meat. Only for salty. Alright. Tasty gravy, you know?
More ketchup.
More ketchup, a little bit of sugar. Add sugar.
Eat a little sweet it is.
Yeah. Add sugar to them. Yeah, too much.
So you have the story mode good in a gravy, make sugar spread out and dissolve, you know?
Yeah, man. It's it again. Yeah, man. You just want a little piece again if you make sure you're saying cook good.
Yeah, people, me turn me plant them so me have pay attention to the pot and me plant them bun up.
The liver harden.
Kidney pot and me plant them bun up. You know, turn up me plant them and thing, you know?
Because yeah, man will turn the plant them constantly. And you know, burn.
Yep.
I mean, them bun up when you stay by one side.
Can I do and they all up and down around the place. You see me?
Multitask.
Multitask and I mean waste time.
Stop.
Yeah, people, so have one butter plant after this, you know?
And then we're done.
And then we're done.
Good time. Okay. Where are you from? You want food? What kind of food you want? What kind of food?
We are going to
You don't want me to talk to Jenna? You don't want me to talk to Jenna? She feel? Think she a young baby same way, you know? Someone that obsessed with me. Better stop squeezing belly button. Please, stop jump around here, too. Go back that side there. You get on low. Okay. Take a bit and steam a little bit of water. Then we go back. Now little.
yeah, so we soon get back to no people, you know? Yeah, people, so see there. Turn off your kidney pot and take care of it open, you know? So that ready now. We just have to wait for the plant them and then we can eat, you know. So I'll get back to you when you done fry the plant them and I share out the food, alright? So stay tuned.
Mommy.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, planting done, dumpling and banana they already. Same way. We have the cabbage cook up already. We have the callaloo. See it there? And the kidney. So right about now is steaming hot. So right about now we are sharing food.
Yeah.
Eat up, you know. You don't know where I share make it look nice food, you know. Yeah, man.
It don't
You
look
get
nice.
the plate.
Because a bowl no want.
No, when I eat out on a bowl.
I want bowl.
No.
I'll make it look presentable. Share with dumpling first. No dumpling you want.
Two.
Mommy.
Because we have planting.
Mommy.
Yeah, people see plate them there. Look nice already, you know.
I want plantain
Mm.
and
See there?
plantain
Nice.
and
Yeah, people, so we done cook. Everything start out. Share out the food and I eat. So,
Taste.
you sit there now. Everything up. Cabbage. Callaloo up. You know, say planting is a
Always
neutral taste, you know.
Neutral. Even when you mix it with the gravy and so.
What?
Okay? You feel like you're ready to dive into it.
Yeah.
I show them where I drink.
Food ready.
I show them
Ready.
where I drink.
So we are drink. Now we are drink to the people. Coca-Cola coffee. This
I do you know
is
it's a Coca-Cola
see
and
there?
coffee.
This is vanilla flavor and this is caramel. So
I really hope it tastes good.
this is it right here. That we are drink to the food. So let me get you see now. I'm going. I'll see how it tastes.
Yeah, like I had taste it.
You know how it tastes?
How it tastes, Jana? Can you eat your one?
Yeah, man.
Come on.
Everything good with the food. You know, miss when you're with food. You know.
Yeah, man.
So I go eat now and then get back to you. You know.
Alright.
Yeah, everybody, so as you can see, we're
I got it
done.
done.
Share out the food. We're gonna see plate how it look and everything. And now it's 3 minutes to 12. We just finished cook and share out and everything. So
Hungry
right
now.
about now we're gonna eat full of belly because we eat nothing from morning, you know?
Yeah, man.
So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. For our regular viewers, thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching our videos. For new viewers, if you enjoy what you saw in this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload on our channel, alright? And we have a lot of different
Check
videos
out the
on our
other
channel.
videos,
We
a lot
have
of cooking videos
vlogs, cooking videos, travel vlogs, challenges, DIY videos.
Storytime.
Yeah, we have a lot of different varieties of
Let's
videos.
get that eating.
So go ahead, check them out and join the family, alright? Thank you for watching again. Peace.
Bye. You say bye?
Bye.
You say bye?
Say bye.
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 What's that? Come on.